The real tragedy about diabetes is the deceptive silence of its onset. According to the US National Institute of Health, a staggering one-third adults with type 2 diabetes are not even aware they are affected. As a senior manager in a PSU, Thomas Padikal had so much on his plate that he too didn't notice the warning signs. Like many others, it was only when he visited his doctor for another health issue that he discovered he had become diabetic. What followed was a now familiar spiral into worsening health and increasing medication. For 22 years, Thomas battled diabetes with increasing doses and varieties of medicines. Along the way, he began to suffer from impairment of renal function, joint pain, and increased LDL cholesterol. Then one day, he chanced upon FFD's Facebook page. Impressed by their science behind their program and the amazing successes, he joined the intensive reversal program.
Yeah, I was working for a public sector undertaking, and when I had 5 years of service, I took voluntary retirement, and then I enrolled with Bar Council of India in 2007. Even though I had taken LLB degree in 1984, as long as I am in the job, I cannot do practice. Nowadays I do very little practice, because I am interested in traveling. I have covered more than 25 countries so far. In 1998, I came to know that I am a diabetic patient from a family physician. I was feeling tired, and treatment for small infections were not effective. I started my diabetic medicines 22 years back with metformin, then progressively added one by one. Endocrinologist, that is super specialist for diabetes at Apollo Hospitals, advised me to switch over to insulin, even though I was having 5 types of medicine, but I did not want that. I came to know about FFD through a Facebook post. After starting FFD protocol, within 16 days, Dr. Kiran Vaswani made a call in the midnight asking me to stop all the medicines, and I stopped all the medicines. So literally it was freedom from diabetes. I was so happy, no words to express this happiness. I took up cycling at this young age of 69, as Dr. Malhar suggested to choose my athletic identity, even though I have not cycled for the last 46 years.
Thomas is an absolute legend. The stuff he writes, he's an incredible writer as well. Very deep writing, age only 68, and he's become a cyclist, which is just amazing.
We had a very interesting gentleman, Thomas, down south at 68. He's really cycling very well. In fact, from US also we had Arvind who's cycling. So there were nominations, four nominations for each, and he was the winner amongst them.
Let me express my deep gratitude to Dr. Pramod Tripathi, who is a living wonder, and Dr. Malhar, who is the one who found the cyclist in me and encouraged me, entire FFD team. Dr. Kiran Vaswani was monitoring my sugar vitals with encouraging words, and she was very caring. Sanjana, Jacinda, Vasudha are doing an amazing job. They are doing the job very efficiently and professionally. They were answering the questions at a lightning speed, even for the stupidest questions from us, so diligently, and hats off to all of three.